Okay, now let me see that.
Tell me about fireworks. Tell me about the poppers.
How many did you throw?
We threw lots of big ones, and we drop them in. We put them down right slowly. You have to put them in the cab. So we go, psst. But they're not too noisy.
Good.
But they're not too noisy.
Then who lit them with fire?
Daddy did. But it is a fire. Only big ones have fire. Big ones have fire, Mom.
Did Papa like those?
Yeah. We bought some. We go, and the other ones go, and the other one was trying to get us. Like that, Mom. And it stopped, Mom.
Did you run away?
Yeah.
Did you unwrap them?
Yeah. We wrapped the big ones.
Mm-hmm.
Papa got big fireworks.
Papa did?
Yeah, he got purple ones and green ones.
He did?
That's the same thing, Mom. You throw them and they go pop, 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 pop. There was lots of big fireworks with the jumping in and they go pop, 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 pop. But they're noisy, Mom.
Was it scary?
Yeah, it was noisy.
Did you cover your ears?
Yeah. Wait, let me see that, Dad. Can I see that?
Let him
In a minute.